I am Ali Shaikh. I run product strategy for Graphiant. The Graphiant Network Edge service opens up new possibilities for you and your business. It is able to do all of the things that you expect from an SD-WAN solution, so a software-defined edge that helps you build a network from anywhere to anywhere. It will connect you into the cloud, to the cloud, from any location without having to design and build this network infrastructure. What the Graphiant service will be for the customer is they are able to decide which branch, which data center, which cloud location should be able to communicate with any other location. And the Graphiant service will simply connect everything all together. The service that a user or customer will consume is the Graphiant Network Edge service. This service constitutes a number of flavors. The most fundamental flavor here would be to service a location with edge connectivity. In this form factor, they could potentially get a hardware-software service fully packaged from Graphiant all together as one service. So they do not have to procure hardware, they don't have to procure software, everything is delivered to them as a service. Now, for some customers of ours, that may not be the choice they want. What they may want to choose is that they already have hardware and they wish to just load up the service onto the existing hardware that they have. In that model, they're going to be able to simply subscribe to our Network Edge service, download the necessary software, and be able to connect into this network that we're delivering to them. For the user, we want to make sure they have the choice to be able to decide, do I want a wholly packaged service that includes hardware, software, and services all together? Or do I want to get more control over the hardware and equipment I have and simply use software and services with my infrastructure? So you're not having to design or build it out. For you, the end user, it is more of a choice and enabling that choice. You are already connected to Amazon, Azure, and Google if you're on the Graphiant service. You simply have to decide when you want to start moving your data from your locations into the public cloud tenants. The Graphiant service can be consumed even in virtual machine constructs. We wanted to make sure that customers still had that kind of flexibility, so that if they have locations with high amount of compute, they can use virtualization to deploy the Graphiant software stack and be able to consume the network service that connects all their locations together. The most interesting outcome we see when we engage with customers is when we describe how this network works, their first reaction is, this can't be real. This sounds too good. But when they start testing it, they see that in practice, that they really didn't have to build any kind of network topology. The network service connected them right out of the gates to everything else.